KB jet seriously considering flights between Mandalay and Imphal. Ten persons killed in Assam road mishap. And voting for by-elections underway in Tripura, Chhattisgarh and UP. Hello and welcome to Times of Manipur News. You're watching News Today and I'm JESSIA giving you the news in details. A private airline in Myanmar has said it is seriously considering flights between Mandalay and Imphal. Air KB jet officials say their survey has found the route viable and the airline was keen to start the flight soon. But Indian ambassador to Myanmar, Saurabh Kumar, said Air KB jet would be able to operate flights between Mandalay and Imphal only after the bilateral air services agreement between the two countries in chains. He said since Imphal is not among the points of call under the current agreement, it has to be added to the list in a revised agreement. Bilateral ASA provided for carriers from the respective countries to operate flights to specified places in each other's territory. If Air KB jet finally operates flight to Imphal, it will be the first foreign airline to run flights to the capital city of Manipur. That can give Manipuris air connection to other parts of Southeast Asia because Mandalay, the second biggest city of Myanmar, is well connected to China, Thailand and other destinations in the Asian region. Air KB jet is a privately owned domestic Myanmar airline based in Yangon. At least 10 people were killed in a major road accident in eastern Assam, Sivsagar district this morning. The accident took place at Thaura Bridge in Demau of the district along National Highway 37. The accident took place when an ultra bus on way to Dibrugarh collided head-on with a traveler coming from Tinsukia en route to Jorhat. The front portion of the traveler was completely ravaged in the impact. Though the locals immediately took the injured to nearby Dimau Model Hospital, another 6 of them succumbed to their injuries. Another 8 of the injured passengers have been rushed to Dibrugarh Medical College. Among them, the condition of 7 passengers is stated to be serious. Police are yet to identify the dead passengers. Police fear the casualty figure might increase. The ultra bus bore registration number AS05C5999 and the traveler had the registration number AS23BC6878. The impact was so massive that the traveler vehicle was thrown off road to a deep gorge on roadside. It is learned that both the vehicles were in high speed despite incessant rain. Meanwhile, the driver of the ultra bus had escaped from the scene of the accident immediately after the incident. Voting for the by-elections at the Assembly constituency of Badhargarh and Dandwada and Hamirpur in Tripura is currently underway. The voting began at around 7 a.m. in the morning today. Reportedly, nearly 57,000 voters will decide the fate of the contestants in the Badhargarh Assembly constituency. The main contest is between BJP, Congress and CPIM. Notably, the Election Commission last month had announced by-election for 4 assembly seats in Chhattisgarh, Kerala, Tripura and Uttar Pradesh. By-elections are also being held in Pala in Kerala. The by-elections are being conducted using EVMs and VVPATs. A 5-day training on entrepreneurship and skill development program on production of essential oils in field and its marketing has kicked off at MSME Technology Center, Food Park, Nilakuti, Imphal East today. The training is jointly organized by Fragrance and Flavor Development Center, FFDC, Kanoj, UP and MSME Technology Center, Imphal, Ministry of MSME Government of India under the sponsorship of National Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe Hub. Now it's time for a short break. Keep watching.
Nupi ekhoigidi khongthang khuding seksiningai gi seksiningai ngaktani mafam matam khudimakta aina cheksinduna talakli adubu mahausayi khongchatnina khudung thiningai atumak oi Manipur da ahan boina iramdam asida sajaba ningol khudo adubu ngasidi akhoi Chinganingai oidre. Aikhoigidamak Bright Enterprises ki Ningo Khudo.
Coil Green, India's #1 genset brand by Kirloskar Efficiency Integrated, is now in Imphal. Generator range 2.4 kVA to 1010 kVA DG set. Automobile engineering works at New Chakon Road, Imphal East, MI Store Building, 1st floor. Contact us at 9862 566601 or 0385245211. Authorized dealer, Kirloskar Gensets.
Welcome back after the break. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today stated that the rate of patients going to other states of the country from the state has significantly decreased. It is a big sign of success of the health department. The public members have trust in the healthcare facilities of the state, he noted. The Chief Minister was participating in a program to launch Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana organized by State Health Agency at Jennings Auditorium, Imphal.
Nasi Manipur sudden change. I really appreciate Manipuri preside the same Hagali. Nasi health sector the yam advanced way. Karigino. Mayam hai genuine miam chili. Karigi chili no. Thasaba helaquini. Rims miam chili. Karigino. Thasaba helaquini. Even sky can give adagi labor raspberry. Thasaba confidence helaquini mila ponebo. Not ready my father way yam was another galagan.
ASHA workers and midday meal workers organized an awareness program on mental health under District Mental Health Program, Imphal West at Irabud Bhavan yesterday. Speaking to TOMTV psychiatric social worker of Manipur Health Services, Tayan Jamsuraj Kumar said the awareness program was a part of the World Suicide Day, which is held on September 10. The program highlighted on how to prevent suicide and its effect in the society.
Naharol Singida, Sahitara Mangadagi, Sahi Kunbari Power Singina, suicide of Gisang as a Hengalagli. Road accident degi, Habadi Lambida, accident of Duna Sibadagi, Sibana, Ahanba Oiraga, suicide of Bona, Masamatom, the suicide of Wasna Anisubo Irakli. Aduna, Aikogi Manipur the Su, Asigumba, Masamatom the Sizabigi Sangasi, Hengalak Padunga Tauri. Aikoi Manipur dasu asigumba Manipur Sarkarna amadi aikoi District Mental Health Program na su sinjaduna jaga khudingmakta ngasigi September tha asi 1 day mental health care siga iroina na World Suicide Prevention Day ase pangthok chabani. Thank you.
K. Sunita Devi has been selected for Rajkumar Buddhimanta Singha Memorial Award 2019. Sunita is the daughter of well-known Nritya Guru Thiam Tarun Kumar Singha. The award will be presented to her by Chief Minister of Tripura Biplab Kumar Dev during the Platinum Jubilee celebration of Manipuri dance. Sunita teaches Manipuri classical dance at Biswa Bharati. Some of her popular dance dharmas are Basanta Utsav and Borsha Mangal. She has also been awarded with Guru Tarun Kumar Memorial Gold Medal and Dev Jani National Award 2017. As part of their permanent project since 2005, the Lions Club of Taubal provided edible items to Hekak Popi Blind School under the theme Relieving Hunger. District Governor MJF Lion Pravi Agarwal of Lions Club International District 322D, President of Lions Club of Taubal, L. Marjit Kumar, and Journal President of the club were also present during the event. 4 bags of rice, 35 kg of pulses, 1 kg of chili, 10 packets ngari, 10 packets of salt, 2 bags of potatoes, 10 liters of edible oil, and 5 kg of dried peas were given to the school. Hindi teacher of the school, Darshim, appreciated Lions Club of Taubal for its open-handedness.
Matam khudingmakta sahi khudingmakta sumaina mokoi yengsili koi blind angangsing sibu mitsu mokoi na yengbiraga sipau ubusu yaure aduga mokoi mapang satlaga thabak koina tabusu leire mokoi asumaina mokoi function khudingmaksu koi angangsing sibu kawu leite mokoi asumaina matam khudingmakta nungsibduna koi bu sathok sasin tabusu mokoi na dum mateng pangbi aduga koi gi awat apa mayam su mokoi na yengbi acha thak aduga ekoi medicine musu mokoi na wajana TOMTV rae.
The Apunbamay-Rapaibi Loop of Nambol area, along with Development and Protection United Volunteer Organization, has been relentlessly working and undertaking steps to prevent alcoholism and illicit drug abuse by young generation. Alcoholism and drug abuse among the youth has become a serious concern for the area and the state as a whole. The organization has imposed strict rules against selling of intoxicants. The organization arrested one Langbam Ajit Singh, aged 40 years, along with 44 liters of illicit liquor. However, Ajit was released after he apologized and assured the organization that he would not to repeat bootlegging in the future. Once again, it's time for a short break. Keep watching.
Mega Monsoon Offer. Be a lifetime subscriber of lamjingbatomtv daily newspaper at ₹10,000 only. For more details, please come and visit our lamjingbatomtv office at Uripok Laikurembi Laikai, Imphal West, or contact us at 8837353352 or 9402991938. Maitei Singi Puwari ga sagon aduna laklaba mafam ama oiriba Sagolban Thangapat leiriba the Thangapat Restaurant and Departmental Store ngaihak awaba pothafam ama oibata natana restaurant manungda yaujariba inbuilt departmental store da adomgi household items singsu phangbiragani. Veg amadi non-veg ki menu items singna adomgi taste bud to satisfy oihaliba menu items sing enjoy tobiyo. Amadi Thangapat ki view enjoy tobiyo. Langston Biraksi, the Thangapat Restaurant and Departmental Store.
Welcome back after the break. After the conclusion of the week-long drive against illegal, multiple and unabated taxation, especially at Check Gates, on Saturday night, Nagaland Post contacted State Chief Secretary Temjen Toy of the issue. Toy reiterated that the state government was seized of the matter and would respond after getting inputs. Toy, however, made it clear that after obtaining the required information, the government would respond effectively against those involved in the illegal practices. The Chief Secretary, however, lamented over the attitude of people who, he said, were ever ready to blame the government for anything. He said the government cannot jump up to conclusion merely on complaints till facts were ascertained. Toy also made it clear that the reports in the media were serious and urged the public to come forward with specific details so that the government could take necessary actions. He also appealed to the public to extend cooperation with the authorities to end the menace of illegal collections. Addressing the Howdy Modi community outreach event at the NRG Stadium in hot sun alongside US President Donald Trump on Sunday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched a thinly veiled attack on Pakistan, saying the whole world knows which country harbors hatred for India and nurtures and supports terrorism against it. He defends his government's decision to revoke Jammu and Kashmir special status and reorganize the state, saying Article 370 of the Constitution had deprived the people of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh of progress and equal rights and allowed those supporting terrors and separatism to take advantage of the situation. Trump, who spoke before Modi, vowed to fight radical Islamic terrorism, drawing loud applause from 50,000 strong audience and a standing ovation from Modi and the Indian delegation sitting in front of the stage, including External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar. Now we have the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, Guwahati Bangkok direct flight flagged off, Imphal Mandalay flight in the offing. KBZ to operate Imphal Mandalay flight. Congress won't accept BJP's One Nation, One Language, says MPCC chief. 43% IDUs infected by hepatitis C virus, says report. Limited patients turned up at RIMS MTC. The People's Chronicle, BJP scheming to erase Northeast indigenous via CAP. Northern Maram People's Organization NMPO dubs Makhan land grabbers, demands action. Kamson Group expelled, statements baseless, says Jiliangrong United Front Jet UF. Naga issue, CAB serious threat to state, says Dr. Manauton. Imphal Free Press, Lieutenant Colonel Dhanabir's case. High Court directs Army to hand over unaccounted weapons to police. Makhan arson was to protect ancestral land, says Northern Maram People's Organization NMPO. The Morning Bell, houses burnt because of land encroachment on Maram village. The Northern Maram People's Organization NMPO clarifies. The Apunba Iraybaki Mahiroi Singh Panglub aims pulls off member of gang who dub parents of students, calls on others to surrender at earliest. Dr. Nara stresses need for art to bring social change. Assam Rifles flags off 14-day National Interactive Tour. Manipur Mail, Vice President calls for introducing reforms to make agriculture profitable. We have to build new Kashmir, says Prime Minister. Let Pau calls for uses of eco-friendly alternatives, not plastics. Gandhian views should be the central theme of education policy.
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Air KBJ seriously considering flights between Mandalay and Imphal. Ten-person killed in Assam road mishap. And voting for by-elections underway in Tripura, Chhattisgarh and UP. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.